GSSE is an undergraduate program that teaches about our interconnected world, the complexities that arise from globalization, and encourages you to explore business solutions to real problems resulting in social change. But what do all these big words mean? What will you actually learn, and who will you become? GSSE is a Bachelor of Arts program that focuses on 1, global studies, and 2, social entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur sees opportunities to start and run businesses by providing products and services. But what makes a social entrepreneur different is that they use business as tools to create social change. These businesses are called social enterprises, or SEs for short. For example, companies like Philippines-based Rags to Riches, a fashion design house that partners with poor communities to create products using leftover scrap cloth, indigenous fabrics, and organic materials, giving these communities a chance to be part of new markets they might not have access to. Or Thailand's Miwanao Coffee that works with hill tribe communities to produce forest-grown, organic coffee beans to encourage forest preservation and regrowth, while also being fair and offering a sustainable way of life. These two are great examples of social enterprises, but there are thousands more around the world creating impact in communities large and small. What about global studies? Why is it an important part of GSSE? Global studies is about understanding how our interconnected world affects us in good and bad ways. Knowing how the world works, its flaws, and the links between local and global forces will make you see social problems from new perspectives, allowing you to find solutions you might not have discovered. If you want to disrupt human trafficking, you'll need to understand labor laws and practices, not just in one country, but surrounding countries too, because trafficking networks extend beyond national boundaries. By understanding our world, you will have the potential to create more impactful change. GSSE is a 4-year international program based at Thammasat University's Rangsit campus, aimed to help you become change makers. Your time at GSSE will be very hands-on. The program is focused on project-based learning and first-hand experience. Every year, you'll work on social innovation projects to tackle problems you're interested in. You'll build real-world skills by looking at case studies, getting involved with communities, and interning at companies big and small. The first 3 years of the program is a time for exploration and understanding. You'll not only build the foundation and specialized skills needed to become a successful social entrepreneur, but you'll also be searching for your passion and finding something that is really important to you, because we want you to succeed doing something you really care about. The 4th year of the program is about you solidifying this passion and experiencing it firsthand, as well as professional development to get you ready for your career. You'll select from a choice of social innovation minors and wide-ranging free electives to create your own final year GSSE experience. We'll help you along the way by giving you personal development, career support, and industry connections through the school's own Social Innovation Lab, G-Lab. By the end of the program, you'll be ready to create new and exciting social enterprise ideas that work well in our interconnected world. You'll also be able to work in large companies that want to be more socially conscious, foundations that need financial sustainability, consultancies, government bodies, and many more. There is a growing demand for professionals who understand the balance between social innovation and business. That's why you have created endless career possibilities for yourself to help pave your own path and define your own future. What if someone else's happiness is part of your plan? What if their success is part of your own? Do something impactful, sustainable, and maybe a little bit awesome too.